Welcome back to Flint Creek Transport. Guys, this is our 2023 Flint Creek calendar. We just got these in, and keep watching. Check out our merch, and every merch order that you purchase will get a calendar with it. I'll just go through the merch right now and show you some of the cool things that we got. We changed some of the things up and some of my favorite merch that I like to wear. I am wearing my vest almost all the time. I wear it basically from October to March. And when it gets cold out, I'll double it up. Again, just another light jacket. I'll double it up. And this is my heavy winter gear. So works perfect. It's really nice and light where I can get in and out of the vehicle. It's a soft shell jacket. Love these jackets. I've been wearing them for the last couple years. As long as you're not spending a lot of time outside, this jacket works perfect. You know, or guys, if you're just into simply a jacket, these jackets are perfect just like this. So they're a nice thin jacket. They fit either way. They are a little stretchy. They're just a nice fit jacket. So if you want to be seen, we got the hoodie for you, right? So if you're working close to a road, whatever you're doing, you want to be seen, this is the hoodie for you. And this is actually a Carhartt hoodie. This is new to our store. Awesome hoodie. It's like a mid-weight hoodie. Perfect for wanting to be seen. We also got a easy to slip on Sport Tech hoodie. This comes in different colors, and it's nice because it's got these strings here. This is one of my favorite, pretty much in any color, but this is my favorite hoodie. I don't wear a lot of hoodies, but I got long arms, and to be able to get them on, this is the hoodie. Also got a nice white hoodie if you like white. This is a great hoodie. Or if you're into ones with a zipper, got a nice full zip hoodie. And for those of you that still wear t-shirts all winter long, maybe for those of you in the South, guys, all these shirts are a tri-blend, nice stretchy shirt. Perfect material, really nice. Got a nice blue one here. Many colors available. Check out our store. You can see all the different colors. And again, guys, these are a nice, really nice fit material. If you're into hats, we got the hats for you. Trucker hats, camo hats. Guys, make sure you check out the web store. I'll put it in the link in the description below. Guys, I might not be able to save you 10% on the order, but I can get you a free calendar with every merch order that you put in. So at least through January, every merch order that goes out will get a free calendar. Welcome back to Flint Creek Transport, guys. I am back in Rochester Airport, except this time I'm not flying out. I'm here with Trevor as well. Here's Trevor. So Trevor's actually going to be the one flying out today, and he's going to look at a truck. So I'll get into more details later, and also Trevor will be taking the camera with him and showing you guys his truck. This is Trevor's first time ever flying. I tried to walk him through it, give him all the details, and I think he'll do just fine. So, yeah, this is, 4:30 in the morning up in Rochester. He is going to go look at a truck. I was hoping to go, and honestly, guys, this is probably will be one of the nicest trucks, used trucks, that I ever purchased. I'm excited to show you guys. I'm sure he's excited to see it as well. He is really excited about this trip. I had too much stuff going on. We just got a lot going on at the shop, on our Sensenig side, on the Stone side, and on the truck side. I've been doing quite a bit. So I'm like, you know what? I don't gotta go. Trevor can go. Oh, we also have a wedding this weekend, and there's just a lot going on. So it would have been really tight for me to go. But as much as I would love to go, not gonna let him go. And maybe the next time I'll get to take you guys with. I think he's gonna take you with. He's got a camera, so we'll see. Well, welcome back. I am back at the shop. Got Trevor dropped off. He brought this truck back. I obviously wanted to go for this truck, wasn't able to. So I want to show you guys our new truck. This is not just any truck, guys. This is a green truck. And I know we talked about, you know, the whole going green thing. Well, you could say I kind of broke down and bought a green truck. What this truck is replacing, well, we're actually kind of switching some things around, and I'll show you. This is truck 130 right here. That is a 2019 Kenworth that we are selling. We're getting rid of that one, and this new green truck is gonna kind of take its spot, except we're having some drivers switching around, so therefore why I'm getting a sleeper truck. And the other thing is that I'm still looking for a day cab glider. I still have a truck to sell. That day cab, that Kenworth is going to be going. I still have one with a short bunk. At some point here, I'm going to be selling that one, but I'm kind of waiting and holding out till I can find a day cab glider, and those are super hard to find, at least kind of my specs and you know, my range. Back to our green truck, guys, is when I'm looking at trucks, you know, sometimes, like I said, you know, it's in your gut a little bit, but every once in a while, it's like there's a truck that really stands out to you. This truck stood out to me. So I'm not a fan of green trucks, but I'm thinking that if I buy a green truck, it might grow on me a little bit, right? So here is our new green truck. You guys ready for this?
Okay, so I'm out here in Grand Rapids, Michigan, actually Wayland, Michigan, at Preferred Truck Sales. They've got a pretty good lineup of trucks. I asked the guy if he had any more gliders. He said he didn't, but they've got some pretty nice trucks, kind of like this one. There's a sweet Peterbilt over there too. This one here is 2019 Kenworth glider with an N14 Cummins in it, 13-speed transmission, and it's going to be going home with me. The other thing that's going home with me is this reefer trailer. It's a 7300X series carrier reefer. We've got Thermo King and the others trailers we have. This is a 53 foot, as you can see it on the side. But this truck is nice. I mean, clean. They had it detailed. It's got a few things like that step there rattles. That'll drive me nuts. The frame is green. I'm gonna have to get used to that. I'm not a huge fan of turning the frame the same color of the truck, but the inside of the truck's good. It's got no wet kit on it, so something we're gonna have to add to it like we do the rest of our trucks. Yeah, Justin sent me out here. I flew out this morning. Had a couple of flights to get here, but here we are. And let me back up a little. You can get the better shot of this truck. There's a few things on the trailer. I almost did a whoopsie there. I didn't put my landing gear up all the way. There's a couple things on the trailer. It's got the sticker goo from it being taking the emblems off. This here is damaged to the very bottom lip. I looked on the back of here, nothing was damaged. As you can see, there's nothing really bent up on there other than that bracket, and that's fixable. There's a little scrape here. That's about the worst of it, but sliding tandems, aluminum rims. You know what? That tire's flat. I'll have to get them to look at that. Oh, lights work. It's got the little penny lights in the corner. got the air monitor system. This will be the first trailer we got with that on it. So we gotta slide these and see if I can get them to do something about them tires.
This is our new green truck. For those of you that were wanting to see a Tesla or a Nikola or a Peterbilt electric truck, I'm sorry guys, but this is actually a cleaner, more environmentally friendly green truck. Honestly guys, it is. Do an environmental study and you'll find out that these trucks are cleaner. This, my friends, is a 2019 Kenworth W900 glider. The thing that I don't like, let's start with the negative. The thing that I don't like is it has a Cummins in it. It's an N14 Cummins red top. It's still a great engine. The N14 in the gray truck that we got, that glider, it definitely kind of maybe softened my stance on Cummins a little bit. But this truck otherwise is mint. This is a beautiful rig. This thing popped up. I actually bought it on Facebook Marketplace. The guys had it posted, and you know, some of these trucks you look at, you see, and right off the bat, it's like, there's a clean, well-maintained truck. This truck was out of the South. I don't know who owned it. Obviously, I'm just buying from dealers. I wish I could buy it direct, but I'm buying from dealers that are going out buying these trucks. They're the guys with the cash at the right time, at the right place, and they're buying them and then turning around and flipping them. So I'll go over some of the specs on this rig. This is a 5 1/4 Cummins with a 13-speed transmission, 355 ratio, 12 front, 40 rears, 275 wheelbase. There's so many things about this truck that screams Flint Creek Transport, because just those specs I went over: 13-speed transmission, 355 ratio, 24/5 wheels. The visor, it's already got the good visor on it. There's bigger breathers. It doesn't have the bunk extenders on. It's got nice steps going up. This thing is clean. You look back through here in the frame, and this frame is nice and clean. So this truck is a 2019, and it's got 392,000 miles on it, but it's still clean. So you can definitely see this was a Southern truck. It was our spec. It's a nice, clean truck. And I figured, you know what? I'm gonna swap and get rid of that one. I still have one more truck that I have discretion to do that with. So I don't know if that's gonna happen this year, if it's gonna happen next year, but stay tuned, because I don't really always know either when another rig is rolling in here. Because when the right time comes, when the truck pops up, you gotta buy it or it's gone. Here's our other green truck. So another part of what helped me decide on this truck, even in the interior, right? You start looking at the interior, one of the things that I like and I order on our trucks is a rubber floor. It's got a rubber floor. Look at the gauge package, full gauge package. Every spot is used. Very clean interior, VIT interior. Yeah, I don't know if you can see back here, but turn the lights on. There we go. We got a fridge, all kinds of good stuff. Storage, and not a lot of extras. And that's what scares me, is when you buy a truck, it has all these extra wiring and this and that and everything else. Well, this is a nice clean truck. Let me flip the hood for you guys. And when I you know, I kind of told the guys, like I ask a lot of questions, and I kind of told the guys that, hey, this is the truck I'm gonna, you know, I want this truck. As long as everything checks out, I'm gonna send a guy out for it. I wasn't able to go get it, and they didn't want to hang on to it that long, so I had to send Trevor out. Here you can see the engine. I'm not worried too much about pre-ELD as I am pre-emission. You know, as much as I'd like to try out an electric truck or actually test one, have one working in our operation, you know, just to have, I feel it is going to be a little while yet, because infrastructure, you know, in reality, guys, we are really far away from having that. Just because our infrastructure is not there, it's just not going to happen. Yeah, I can go buy an electric truck, but our infrastructure is not there yet. So it's kind of why I'm going not really all in. I'm still going to buy, again, I'm still going to buy emission engine trucks. It's just I'm replacing some of these trucks with gliders. It's what I can get. There's some of these popping up that are really nice shape yet. And this is like the last year that I think I haven't seen. I don't think I've seen a 2020 Kenworth glider yet. This is the last year that Kenworth made these gliders, which is a shame. So let me know what you guys think of the purchase. I was super excited to get this truck back, start running it, because this one is going to require very little work. This is probably the cleanest truck that we have ever bought that was used. This truck, well, maybe that gray one was very clean as well. This one right here has been taken care of very well. Very, very clean truck. So I was super happy. When you get a truck like that, when you see something like that, you got to take it. And all these specs checked out. You know, and I go down through Truck Paper and I see a bunch of different trucks, different gliders on there for sale. And there's certain ones like, you know what, I know that, I don't want that one, I don't want that one. You know, I can list something wrong with them. Or there's like a question I have, or it's like, nah, I don't want that. That's not gonna fit our bill. But this one checked out. Very nice. Very clean truck. And believe it or not, guys, and I don't know if some of you are paying attention to Marketplace, they actually had a truck identical to this, except it was blue with a cat, and that is the truck that I wanted, but unfortunately I wasn't quick enough, wasn't able to get my hands on that truck. I was actually hoping to make a deal on both, but was not able to. So someone else got there in front of me and got that blue truck. So I have to settle for a green truck. And in this day and age, we got to go green, right? I don't know if there's certain things I left out on this truck or not, but you'll be seeing more of it. I figured I'd at least show you guys this truck in this video. I really wanted to talk more on that black truck that we have, that W900 with the 36-inch Aero one. A lot of exciting things going on right now, by the way. But unfortunately, this truck come in and I'm like, I gotta talk about this one. Who's not excited about a green truck, right? So we're talking about the green truck today. Time to put it away quick. Look at that thing light up. Guys, something I thought of too while I was in here is the paint code right in here in the glove box. Medium dark wood is what it's called. Also gives a paint code, but medium dark wood. That's a new color. Next week's video, or one of the next videos, I hope to talk to you about that black truck and why I plan on doing some of the things I'm doing. And also I want to try to get the guy that actually manufactured that bunk on here. So hopefully he can give his side of the story. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one, and peace out.